Brutal attack on Trelawney family leaves child dead and 2 others wounded. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, politicians told to stop toxic comments which could trigger anxiety on Jamaicans already stressed by heat. And opposition welcomes commitment by Andrew Holness-led administration not to postpone local government elections again. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.